Hello everyone. In this video tutorial of Practical 5 install Windows Server Operating System, I am going to install Windows Server Operating System 2012 R2 using virtual machine software. Okay, so the requirement of this practical are virtual machine software and Windows Server Operating System source file, that is the ISO file of the Windows Server OS. Then the procedure of this practical is we will first install virtual machine software and then create one virtual machine for the Windows Server operating system. But in this case, I have already installed virtual machine software VMware. Okay, so I will not perform this installation of virtual machine software task because it is easily next and finish type of task. So you can easily do that. But I have not created virtual machine for the Windows or server operating system, so I will do that. Then after the creation of virtual machine, we will load the .iso file of the operating system and we will install the OS. So let us start. So I have already installed VMware Workstation 15.5 Pro. There are so many other virtual machines available, such as Sun Virtual Box. Let us say you can download Virtual Box. There is not Sun but Oracle Virtual Box. It was first Sun, then this Sun was taken over by Oracle. Then Oracle Virtual Box. You can download this Virtual Box and you can run. You can create machine also in this virtual machine. But in this practical, I am going to do or create one virtual machine using VMware Workstation Pro. So it required to install this VMware Workstation Pro. As I told you, it is a very easy task. Installation of any software just like the game. So let us create one virtual machine. Okay, for that you have to click on this create one virtual machine, or instead you can create new virtual machine using file menu. We are going to install typical. Then right now we are not going to select ISO file of the operating system. Instead I will select this option. I will install the operating system later. Then next, I have four categories of guest operating system: Linux, VMware, ESX, other. I have to select Microsoft Windows. Then out of this list of the OS, I have to select Windows Server 2012. Okay. Then next, this is the virtual machine and this is the location of the virtual machine where it would be installed. Okay. Then next, then this is the disk size. Okay, this is the virtual hard drive. Then next, and these are the hardware which comes with this machine: hard drive, memory, network adapter, other devices. Finish. We will not do any kind of changes in that. Then this machine has been created. I have created this machine for the Windows Server operating system, and but I have not selected the ISO file of the particular Windows Server operating system. So I have to do that, because if I will not do that and I run this virtual machine, and we will get something like this. Okay, because this virtual machine is not going to find any bootable file or any OS in this. So it will right now it is finding from the DHCP server, DHCP server. But we have to do first turn off this power of machine. Okay, then click on this edit virtual machine setting. you will get this. So in this, if you want to increase the RAM, then you can do this by using this slider. If you move this slider in the upward direction, it will increase the RAM. If you will move this slider in the downward direction, it will decrease the RAM. But the recommended memory for this operating system is 2 GB. So we will put as it is. We will set as it is. Then CD DVD. Use the ISO image file. You have to click on this CD DVD SATA. Select ISO image file. Then browse. Okay. Then I have to find the ISO file of the Windows server. Okay, not Windows 7, Windows server. Yeah. Then okay. Now what I have done so far, I have installed the VMware. I have created one virtual machine. I have selected ISO file of the Windows Server 2012 R2. Now I am going to run this virtual machine. Let us see what will happen. Okay, now it is going to loading the files. It has loaded the files. But this is Windows symbol and process is running right now. Okay. Now setup is starting for the installation of Windows Server 2012. Okay. So we will not select this data center. Okay, we will select only standard GUI version x64. That means this operating system is for 64-bit machine. Then this is 60 GB hard drive. As you know, uh, when we created this virtual machine, we set 60 GB hard drive, virtual hard drive for this machine. Okay, that is that hard drive is this. So we are going to create next, then next. So it is right now copying Windows file from the ISO file to this hard drive. Okay. It has started from 1% and it will go up to 100%. If you want to skip this, then you have to forward this video. Because it takes time. If you do not have any experience regarding the installation of any operating system, then you should do try with this virtual machine, because it will not affect your host operating system. And if you directly go to install the real way the particular operating system in the particular computer, then it might damage your data also. So if you do not have any experience for the installation of any OS, then you should try this using virtual machine. Okay. Or keep remember, whenever you install any operating system, you should try to install through USB, because the data transfer between USB and your computer is faster compared to the um, data transfer between CD drive and your computer. So you have to use USB. That is for your time saving purpose, because CD drive may take CD drive always takes uh, more time compared to the USB, and there are so many USB related software to make the drive bootable are available in the internet. You can download it from the web. Some of famous are Win2Flash, Rufus. Okay, 76-78% installation has been completed. Okay, right now copying and installation and features installing. Now it is going to install updates. You can see the procedure through this green line. Okay, now it is going to start. I'm clicking this restart now. It will take some more time. Now it is going to again restart. In this toolbar you can see this enter full screen mode. If you want to set this full screen mode, then you have to click on the password. Right now I'm going to admin @123 admin @123. Okay, let me finish this. Now it is going to finalize our setting. It is taking time. In the upcoming practical, we will do some configuration related tasks of the particular server role, such as web server, email server, print server, file server. It is taking more time, so please be while. Let me open another website till the process is complete. Server World, which is a very good website for the various configuration of various types of server. Okay, in the OS configuration, you have to select 2012 R2. In this, you have to select 2012 R2. Then in the install, you have to click this install Windows 2012 R2. You will get such screenshots for the installation. Okay, our version is different from this, so we got only this standard evolution with GUI. Okay, these are the steps we have done. Okay, still it is taking time, so let us just revise. Okay, Windows Server operating system, then install now. Then we have selected standard evolution, not data center evolution. In standard evolution server with GUI, then this accept the license terms and install Windows only. Then partition we selected for the installation. Our was 60 GB, it is in 80 GB. Then after the installation complete, we have completed this step also. Then we will get this screen once the installation process will complete. Okay, it is taking more time due to I'm running on the VMware. If I will restart in this during this, it may affect some of the files, so I will wait and watch till the finalize the settings. Okay, once we got this, we have to click Alt Delete and Control Alt Delete. But in the VMware, I do not have to press this. Once I press this, I will come out from this host operating system. So instead, where should I have to what should I have to do to press the Control Alt Delete? I have to click on this. Look at the mouse pointer and the tooltip. Send Control Alt Delete to this virtual machine. Okay, and then we have to enter the administrator password that we have created, and we will get this screen of this Windows Server OS. Okay, this is the server manager, and this is the desktop of the Windows OS. Okay, it is taking more time, so we'll wait.